Hey everyone, I'm Jason. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset a Lutron shade. So it's pretty simple. First thing you got to do is locate the button. In my case, it's in the left side. Some of them are in the middle, but this one is on the left side. So what we're going to do is we're going to tap it 3 times and hold it on the third tap. We're going to wait for it to start blinking rapidly. Once it does, we're going to release. Once it becomes solid, you're going to tap it 3 more times and once again hold it on the third tap. Once you get that blink, you're going to release and your system will be reset. So let's do this now. And there you guys have it. If you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.